Hey, what's up, everyone? So we're on our day 6 on our 20-day challenge in learning kanji grade 1 in Japan. All right, for today we have 5 related to 5月, which is May, and itsutsu, which is 5 or 5 things, and gorin, the Olympics. That will be happening in 2020. Well, that's gonna be next year in Tokyo. Alright, so second we have mouth, related to jinko, population, koza, account, like banks, etc., iriguchi, or entrance, and deguchi, exit, gateway, way out, outlet, or vent. Alright, and our third one would be kanji for school or exam. So that will be school, and that is in Japanese, gakko. And senior high school, koukou. The elementary school, shogakko. Alright. Fourth one is our kanji for left, and that's hidarite for left hand, and hidarigawa for left hand side, showing direction. Alright, let's go to our example. Example, Gorin no iriguchi wa biru no hidarigawa desu. That translates to the Olympics building entrance is on the left side. Then we turn to our example for gakko. Doko no gakko ni ikimashita ka? What school did you go to? Sorry for the erasure, I just wanted to give you guys a brief idea of how you can use this. Actually, what school did you go to, or where did you go to, can be used as well. What school or where did you go to? As for the doko. Alright, there you go. So that wraps up our day 6 for learning kanji grade 1 in Japan. Thank you for watching.